Now table properties. How to see the properties of a table? You have a table in your workspace. How to see the property of the tables? We are going to see that. Yes. So you have this table. EPL, there is a table, and EPL is sorted and it is available. So access the properties of EPL and save them to EPL props. So EPL props equal to, I'm accessing the property. So EPL dot properties. I didn't type fully, I just kept a dot. And if you have this EPL dot properties, so whatever property of the table will be stored to the variable EPL props. So we'll see if the command is correct. Is correct, and see the table properties. The description is nothing, user data is nothing, dimensions, row, and variables. So variable names you have team, points, and goal difference. Other things are going to be. This is the property of your EPL table. So the complete property. So properties, only 4 things will be there: variable names, row names, variable units, and description. See here, variable names, variable description, row names, and variable names. So all these will be available. The 4 important properties will be available, and it will be available in a separate container. So we can access the property at any point. See here, EPL props dot, and see here you can get everything: description, variable unit. You're able to see that in this table you will get all the properties, whatever is here: description, user data, dimension name, variable name, description, unit, continuity, row name, custom properties. Everything will be accessed once you assign the properties of EPL to a particular variable. You can assign everything. Okay. Now, how to access the table properties? That is what we have seen now. We just need from an example. So see here, save the variable names from EPL to var names. So I have this code here. Okay, I am going to save the variable names from EPL to var names. So see here, var names equal to EPL dot properties dot variable names. Is that clear how I am accessing? I am accessing the variable names property of EPL table to a variable var name. So using dot, simply you can get the properties of table into a particular variable.